As global companies race to launch the COVID-19 vaccines in different parts of the world, Indian companies who were slow to join this race are finally catching up. We now know that there are 30 different candidates under various stages of development in India for COVID-19. Out of these, we know that 6 of the companies are in a fairly advanced stage. In this video, we'll take a look at the companies who are in a fairly advanced stage of their development for COVID-19 vaccine. So the leading vaccine candidates in India are Serum Institute of India, which is in tie-up with AstraZeneca and the Oxford University. Serum Institute of India also has a separate vaccine candidate where they are looking at the BCG vaccine on healthcare workers and if it protects them from SARS-CoV-2 virus. We have Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council of Medical Research. We also have Zydus Cadila who are working on their vaccine platform. Then there is Pune-based Genova Biological E and Hyderabad-based vaccine developer, and then we also have a separate research going on in collaboration with the ICMR and National Institute of Tuberculosis Research, who are also working on the BCG vaccine for elderly patients. With this, we have roughly around 6 candidates in various stages of development. Now, for example, if you look at the Serum Institute and AstraZeneca candidate, they are already planning to launch the vaccine into phase 3 in August this year. We have Bharat Biotech and Zydus Cadila who have started their human trials, which is a phase 1 and phase 2. And looking at the approvals in a couple of months' time, we will have a data on how these vaccine works. The Serum Institute BCG vaccine on healthcare workers, the data on this is expected in September this year. The other candidates such as Genova and Biological E are expected to go into human trial by almost October. So this is the vaccine landscape in India. We spoke to the Department of Biotechnology Secretary Renu Swarup last week, who had quite an insight to share on how the Indian regulators are helping vaccine makers to launch their vaccine, both domestic and global companies who want to launch their vaccine on a regulatory pathway. This is what Renu Swarup had to say.
Over these months, what we've also done is, one is of course the regulatory framework. We've not only strengthened that, but we've sort of fast-tracked it, but made it very, very rigorous at par with all the global best. So we are in constant touch with CEPI, with WHO and others, because we definitely want to be part of the global trial which happens.
Okay.
And we are hoping that our candidates should be able to reach phase 3 by then, so that they become part of the global trial. And that we hope for it, and we wish our candidates good luck for it as well.
So this is where India stands when it comes to its own indigenous vaccine development and vaccine candidates. These are early days. We still have to wait and see how these vaccines fare. Will they be successful or not? But we can say that for now, we have 6 candidates that are in different stages of development, which will give us an answer in few months' time, perhaps by end of this year, if we can have a vaccine for COVID-19 on India. We're talking about domestically manufactured vaccine. This is the landscape, and we have to wait for the data to emerge.